Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate scheduling showdown, Rocket Google Calendar versus Calendly. If you're looking to streamline your scheduling game, stick around because we're comparing features, pricing, and ease of use to help you pick the right tool. Let's get into it. First up, Rocket Google Calendar. This extension supercharges your Google Calendar by adding advanced scheduling features. You can set up appointment slots, embed your calendar into emails, and send automated reminders. It's perfect if you are already using Google Workspace because it seamlessly integrates with other Google Maps. Pros of Rocket Google Calendar: built-in Google Workspace users, customizable appointment slots, automated email reminders. But here's the catch. While it's powerful for those in the Google ecosystem, it's not as user-friendly when sharing with people outside of Google. Plus, advanced features require a Google Workspace subscription. Now, let's talk about Calendly. This platform is designed for simplicity. It lets you create customizable scheduling links that anyone can use to book time with you. No need to sign up for an account. Plus, it integrates with multiple platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and yes, Google Calendar. Pros of Calendly: easy for anyone to book, integrates with multiple platforms, free plan available. However, if you're a power user, some features like removing branding or adding team workflows require a paid plan. Pricing starts at $10 per month, so keep that in mind. So, which tool should you choose? If you are all in on Google and want something native, Rocket Google Calendar is a solid pick. But if you need more flexibility and user friendly links, Calendly is the way to go. Rocket Google Calendar, best for Google users, and Calendly, great for external sharing and diverse integrations. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.